Well, hello to all my wonderful fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's blog. If you're curious on what I'm doing downstairs in the garage today, we're going to be lubricating the noisy hinges on that garage door back there. Well, all 9 moving hinges on that door, basically. Now, what types of lube can you use? It's all up to you if you want a very quiet door. And of course you have a whisper drive, belt driven as well. But let's go ahead and bring out the old stuff. The old DW40. Most people say, oh, this stuff does not work. Well, I got news for you. It actually does. It may not be a lubrication, but it works for a temporary solution. Now, here's another stuff I used to use. This is called BB Blaster. We found this down at my local AutoZone pulp store. You can see. Basically, that's the lube I used to use. This stuff really frickin' stinks. But what type of new lube I'm going to try out on the door back though? Well, let's find out. Ta-da! 3-in-1 oil. Basically. It's a spray, it's a lubricant. That's it. So I can balance these right here. And of course, the old-fashioned DW40. We're not going to use this or this, we're going to use this. Let's go ahead and show you how to lubricate your hinges on your door. Let's have some fun. And also, make sure you have some old funky clothes too. That would also help as well. Before we get into which one is better argument thing on YouTube comments, let me kind of explain. DW40 is a lubrication. Yes, it can be used as a degreaser, but it is a lubrication at the exact same time. But it may not last as long like some of the other types of lubrications you can use for your garage doors. But not openers, but your doors themselves. Let me show you what I mean. Alright. I have 3 different lubrications right here. I have my old-fashioned DW40. I have somewhat a newer BB Blaster. Okay? And also the 3-in-1 oil for garage doors. This is a good lubrication as well. What one's the best? Well, you decide. I'm not going to argue. Is it going to be DW40, BB Blaster, or 3-in-1? You figure it out. Alright, you look back here. You see these doors? Alright, you see these hinges? Doesn't matter. Even if you lubricate these hinges all the time, what's going to happen? The lube's going to wear off. Right? On this whole entire door, I have 9 hinges that open this door. These are called hinges. Same with those. Okay? Very nice door. Okay? You just gotta figure out what side is making the most racket. Now you can also replace these too. But like I said, you choose on which one's going to be your favorite lubrication. Now, it also depends on climate. Hot or cold. Which one will work better for you? Hey, you curious on what lube I'm going to use? I'm going to use 3-in-1 oil. Basically, what we're going to do, all these two, and these over here. I'm going to say, Chris, what's the difference? It's no difference. One may smell better than the other one. One might be designed different than the other one. But I got news for you. I've been living in this house for frickin' 10 years. I've been using DW40 before the app came out with something different. Now, let's go ahead and hit these here. Get those all nice and lubed up. Not wasting all this stuff, tubes. Just showing you. I can get these too if you want. Now you know what? Lube is awesome. You don't need no lube, but you can if you want. Sadly, you probably not see this one up here, but I'm going to lube it too. Sometimes you may not get everything hit at the same time. So there you go. That's basically how you lube a door. Simple, easy. Okay? We don't need to fight which one's better. I do not want to hear the nonsense of hate comments about which one's better than the other. It makes no difference. This long, if you can oil your frickin' doors, and you're frickin' happy. That's all I care about, basically. Let's go ahead and run the doors up and down for you. Alright, basically, here's the awesome door. And of course, there's my whisper drive. Bolt driven, by the way. Okay, no chain. Don't need to worry about lubing that. Okay? And basically, if I look down now, there's the 3 Hinges of lubrication. Okay, there you go. DW40, BB Blaster, and 3-in-1. Alright, now this whole door is not been lubricated, so as a track spin. Take my remote, open it up. And of course the lawn tractor is sitting outside because I put it out there for a minute. Okay, you hear the difference? I don't. It's a little cryo. That's awesome. Let's on it up. But really, what is the difference? Is it a difference of the lubrication you put on your doors? No, it doesn't matter. Just long if you can quiet the doors, and that's awesome. That's all I care about, basically. Alright, let's show you the hinges some more. All these. All the frickin' hinges. Alright? Every hinge on this door has been lubricated. Alright? And the one all the way down now. But I don't see a difference. Ah, and there's one thing I forgot to mention about the garage doors and the tracks as well. You can oil those too by using whatever type of lubrication you choose to use. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit can go long ways. Basically put some there, and put some here. And just a little bit, not much. That's how you lube your garage doors. Now, you don't need to lube the belt-driven garage door openers. That's if you have the chain style version. We have the whisper drives. Very quiet and very nice. Let's go ahead and open it, and let's run the cycle of the oil on it as well. Very quiet. You can lube it very nicely. Just don't go overboard. There you go! You fixed your own doors! By using some lubrication. Alright. If you guys enjoy the burning this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Which oil is the best for your doors? Doesn't matter. Just figure it out. You'll be happy.